maybe didn't have as much pressure or what we thought was pressure coming into the year. And it's nice, yeah, as you said, to come back here. Normally this is the first GP or somewhere in Benelux, and yeah, normally we go better here, and I think they've had 3 races now where it's been harder and they managed to get some confidence up, and yeah, it's nice to show them that we're still here, you know, we're still fast, and we're going to give them a fight right till the end.
Blow your mind, real mind. Every doll I recognize. You're a hideous thing inside. Ever there when the lucky comes. It's you. Stay another way to get to know you. You'll never know. Let's go, so let me show you. I know it's late, but another way to get to know you.
At the points, but yeah, 43 is a lot, but not so much if you take it over the whole year. You know, I'm not expecting to pull that back straight away. It's going to be a tough job, but if we can keep getting on the podium every week or be consistent, you know, it's the points soon add up, and yeah, you can pull a gap back quite easily.
Yeah, the MX1 class is coming every year stronger and stronger. I mean, there are a lot of guys who can really race to win, and you know, I'm a bit sad that I can't join the boys and really go out with them and fight for the title. But you know, I'm happy to be here in this position now for the Red Bull KTM team, and yeah, every year it gets more and more excited, and the sport is growing. Even that, you know, the rest of the world is in a crisis. I really hope that our sport will do better and better, and you know, with having so many title contenders, for sure it will help a lot.
En dan de winnaar van de Grand Prix of the Benelux, Jonathan Barragan. De teammanager van het winnen van de winnaar. Zal het dadelijk hier op het podium van het CRT